So you finally ditched the traditional bank? Welcome to the club. Let's be honest, traditional banks can feel stuck in the past. Between hidden fees and lackluster interest rates, it's no wonder so many people are making the switch to online financial institutions like Sofi. But with all the excitement of a new account, there's one crucial step that can sometimes get overlooked: setting up direct deposit. Now, for some, direct deposit might seem like an afterthought. But trust me, it's a game changer. No more waiting in line for a physical check, no more risking lost or stolen mail, and hello, access to your paycheck up to 2 days early. That's a Sofi perk, by the way. So, how do you actually set up direct deposit for your Sofi account? Buckle up, because it's easier than you think, and I'm here to walk you through the 3 main methods. Method 1. Leverage your employer's payroll portal. Chances are, your employer uses some kind of online payroll portal. This is where you can access pay stubs, update personal information, and most importantly for us today, set up direct deposit. First things first, you'll need to find your Sofi account routing and account numbers. Don't worry, Sofi makes this super easy. Within the Sofi app or website, simply navigate to the Banking tab and look for the Direct Deposit section. There you'll find your numbers displayed clearly, ready to be copied and pasted. Now, head over to your employer's payroll portal. Look for a section dedicated to direct deposit. It might be labeled Payments or Manage Direct Deposit. Once you're there, simply input your Sofi account and routing numbers, along with your account type, checking or savings, depending on your preference. Review everything carefully, hit Submit, and voila! You're good to go. Method 2. Sofi's pre-filled direct deposit form, the paperless hero. Maybe your employer isn't the most tech-savvy, or perhaps their payroll system feels like a relic from the 90s. No worries, Sofi's got your back with a handy-dandy pre-filled direct deposit form. Log back into your Sofi account and head to the direct deposit section again. This time, you'll see the option to add new direct deposit. Choose Set Up Manually and select the Sofi account you want your paycheck deposited into. Here's the cool part, Sofi generates a downloadable form with all your crucial banking information already filled in. All you need to do is print it, sign it, and, you guessed it, submit it to your employer's HR department. Easy peasy. Method 3. Conquering the old school, manually entering your information. Let's face it, some employers are, well, stuck in their ways. If your employer requires you to manually enter your banking information for direct deposit, fret not. This method might take a couple of extra steps, but it's still completely doable. Just like in Method 2, head to the Direct Deposit section within your Sofi app or website. Choose Add New Direct Deposit and again, select Set Up Manually followed by your preferred Sofi account. This time, instead of downloading a form, you'll be presented with your account and routing numbers displayed on the screen. Carefully copy these down, or take a screenshot for safekeeping. Now, navigate to your employer's payroll portal or grab that good old paper direct deposit form they might have provided. Here's where you'll manually enter your Sofi account type, checking or savings, your account number, and the ever-important routing number. Double-check everything for accuracy, submit, and congratulations, you've conquered the old-school method. Bonus tip, double-check and be patient. No matter which method you choose, it's always a good idea to double-check all your information before submitting it. A typo in your account number could lead to a major headache down the line. Trust me, it's better to be safe than sorry. Finally, keep in mind that it might take a couple of pay cycles for direct deposit to be fully activated with your employer. Be patient, and if you have any concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to Sofi's customer support or your employer's HR department. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.